Imagine a creature once thought to be extinct, only to re-emerge from the shadows of obscurity in 1994. This is the story of the crested gecko, scientifically known as Coralophus ciliatus, found once again in the wilds of New Caledonia, a group of islands in the South Pacific. These geckos are gifted climbers, defying gravity and scaling vertical surfaces with ease. Their secret? Specialized toe pads covered in microscopic hair-like structures known as setae. These create a sort of molecular attraction between feet and the surface they're climbing. Not only are they master climbers, but crested geckos also make wonderful pets. You might not think of eyelids as a standout feature, but for crested geckos, they're a point of pride. Unlike many other gecko species, crested geckos have movable eyelids, a rare trait in a world where most geckos have a transparent membrane or spectacle to shield their eyes. And speaking of eyes, did you know crested geckos are self-cleaning? They use their tongues to lick their eyes, removing any dust or debris that may have settled there. If you're familiar with lizards, you might know about their ability to regenerate tails, and crested geckos are no exception. Lose a tail to injury or stress, and a new one will grow back, albeit slightly different from the original. As the sun sets, crested geckos spring to life. They're primarily nocturnal hunters, using their keen sense of smell and night vision to track down insects and other small prey in the cover of darkness. And while they may not have vocal cords, crested geckos are far from silent. They communicate by rubbing their scales together, creating sounds that play a crucial role in mating rituals and territorial disputes. If cared for properly, these geckos can be long-term companions, living for 15 to 20 years, or even longer in captivity. Crested geckos are a sight to behold, with a wide range of colors and patterns that make each individual unique. Thanks to selective breeding, we now have a vibrant array of color morphs, making these geckos as diverse as they are fascinating. Maintaining a crested gecko is not a Herculean task. They require a simple setup, a secure enclosure, proper humidity levels, and a diet of commercially available powdered gecko diet supplemented with occasional insects. This makes them popular pets for both beginners and experienced reptile keepers alike. So the next time you see a crested gecko, remember, you're looking at a creature that was once believed to be lost forever, only to re-emerge and thrive in a world that continues to be fascinated by its unique characteristics and behaviors.